Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about the discovery of fire and its impact on early human evolution. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going on a fascinating journey back in time to explore one of the most groundbreaking discoveries in human history, which is the discovery of fire. This discovery didn't just light up in the night, it sparked an entirely new chapter in human evolution. Stay with me and let's dive into how fire revolutionized the way humans live, survive and evolve. Long before the advent of modern technology, early humans stumbled upon the most important tool they would ever need: fire. Fire was likely discovered by accident. Imagine a lightning strike setting a forest ablaze, or a rock striking flint. Early humans observing these occurrences may have realized that they could control fire, use it for warmth, protection, cooking, and much more. Fire wasn't just a tool for survival, it was a catalyst for evolution. Early humans started using fire to cook food, which not only made food safer, but also it made easier to digest. Cooking food allowed early humans to extract more nutrients, leading to brain growth and the development of complex social behaviors. This was crucial for survival in harsh environments. One of the most profound impacts of fire was on the brain. As man began to cook, the body required less energy to digest raw food. The extra energy was redirected to support the larger brain. This shift helped our ancestors develop higher cognitive abilities and laid the groundwork for problem solving and complex social interactions. Fire didn't just change how we ate or evolved biologically, it transformed the way we communicated. Early humans gathered around fire, sharing food and stories. These gatherings fostered social bonds and communication, which were vital for group survival. It's not an exaggeration to say that our ancestors' ability to control fire helped pave the way for modern societies. Fire allowed early humans to expand beyond tropical regions. By mastering fire, humans could keep warm in cold climates, ward off predators, and cook food in environments that would have otherwise been too dangerous. Fire was the key to human migration, helping our ancestors explore new territories and survive in diverse ecosystems. So as you can see, the discovery of fire wasn't just about warmth or light. It had profound implications for early human evolution. It changed our diet, our brains, our social lives, and even our ability to survive. It also changed our ability to survive in diverse environments. The mastery of fire was one of the first giant leaps in the journey that ultimately led to the modern world we live in today. I hope you found this story of early human evolution as fascinating as I did. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more amazing stories from history, and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let us know what discovery you think changed the course of human history. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the world. Bye!